Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Reviews. We got a couple phones in the mail today. First one, we got the A7 Pro from Umidigi. This is the 64 gig version. It's really similar to the A5 Pro, which was last year's version, in terms of cost. I believe it uses the same CPU as last year's version as well, except this one has faster RAM in it. All the other specs are pretty similar to last year's device. So let's see what's inside the box. We have, let's grab this guy open here. Okay, so we got the thank you from Umidigi. Kind of nice to see. There's a giveaway of some kind. Then we have the phone itself. It looks like it comes with a rubberized case. I believe that same case is with all the phones so far that I've seen from Umidigi. It's identical style of case. I wish it would have came with a clear case. It would have really made the phone pop a lot nicer. But it is what it is. It's free. So phone itself, it's actually feels exactly the same as the last generation phone. It looks identical to it. We got the, let's go from the top here. Nothing on the top. I believe the last one did have a speakerphone on the top, but that's I think gone now. We got the volume rocker and the power button. Then on the bottom we got the speaker, the USB-C charger, and the microphone, as long as a 3.5mm jack. On this side we got the SIM tray, which I believe is a it's a dual LTE 1 micro SD SIM tray, and it's got the 4 camera setup with looks like a dual flashlight in there. Once we get it going, have a look, and it's got the fingerprint reader in the back of the phone as well. Please use the standard nano SIM. This is the ocean blue version, I guess, of the phone, so I'll have a better look at it later. But yeah, no, it's pretty, feels pretty good in the hand anyway. Like I said, identical to the last one. Further in the box, we got the Link the World. Looks like a SIM eject tool with a little booklet inside. And then we have a standard North American charger. It's not a fast charger, doesn't look like it. Yeah, just 2 amps, 5 volts, USB output, nothing fancy. And it has the red USB-C cable, kind of nice to see. Yeah, so it looks pretty decent overall. It's a $100 device, can't really expect too much out of it. I'll post another video of it once we get it going and set up and stuff, and play around with it, take some pictures. So hit the like and subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Thanks guys.